Hi guys, let's see today's problem. Six participants Leo, Brad, Tom, Chris, Ryan, and Hugh have participated in racing. No two of them have completed the race at the same time. Leo and Brad completed the race before Hugh. Ryan was the last one to complete the race. Tom completed the race before Chris, and Chris completed the race just before Leo. Okay. Who completed the race just before Ryan? If Chris stood third, then how many possibilities still exist in order to determine the sequence in which the participants completed the race? How many participants can complete the race before Chris, who stood first in the race? Okay, let's start. Leo, Brad, Chris, Tom, Brian, Hugh. 6 places. So no two of them completed the race at the same time, which means that there was no tie at any given time. Leo and Brad completed the race before Hugh. So we know that Leo and Brad completed the race before Hugh. Ryan was the last one to complete the race. Tom completed the race before Chris. So Tom completes the race before Chris. And Chris completed the race just before Leo. So only in the last statement it's mentioned that Chris completes the race just before Leo. In the other two statements, they could be at any place. It just means that Hugh has to be after Leo and Brad. There could be somebody before Leo. There could be someone in between Leo and Brad. There could be someone in between Brad and Hugh, and so on. Okay. So let's try to place this. If I combine these three, the possibilities that I can get is from these two. I know that Tom is before Chris and Leo, right? And I know that before after Chris and Leo, Hugh has to be there. I just need to place Brad. Now Brad has to be before Hugh, but he could also be before Tom. So there are two possibilities. Either Brad could belong somewhere over here, or he could be over here. Now in this also there are multiple possibilities. Okay, let's try to place them. First one, I'm considering that Tom comes first. Okay, so through this I'll get Tom. Now I can put Chris, Leo, Brad, Hugh, or else it could be Tom is first, Brad is here, Chris and Leo here. Sorry. Now the next possibility is that Tom is not the first person. We know Hugh is over here. Chris and Leo are over here. And I'll place Brad over here and Tom over here. Okay, so we have got 3 possibilities right now. Let me just check in case I've missed anything. T, C, L, B. B could also be here. CL will go there. The other possibility is T, C, L, and B. Okay, there are 3 possibilities. Let's answer the questions. Who completed the race just before Ryan? That is a given. That's Hugh. If Chris stood third, then how many possibilities still exist in order to determine the sequence in which the participants completed the race? If Chris stood third, which is these two. So there are 2 possibilities to determine that who completed the race and in which order. How many participants can complete the race before Chris? So before Chris in this, only Tom is completing. In these two, both Tom and Brad are completing. So it will be 1 or 2. Who stood first in the race? It could either be Tom or it could be Brad. So I'll go with cannot be determined. Let's check our answers. Hugh 2, 1 or 2 cannot be determined. Hugh 2, 1 or 2 cannot be determined. Great. Easy to solve. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.